How to deposit or add money on Coinbase. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video I'll show you how you can deposit or add money to your Coinbase account. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to deposit or add money to your Coinbase account, first of all you want to make sure you've linked your payment method. So if you have not linked your payment method, such as adding your debit card or bank or credit card or whatever else, to do that just launch the Coinbase app and then just tap on the settings icon from the bottom right. Once you tap on settings, over here you'll find the option called add payment method. In my case I've already done so, but if you haven't, you'll just find the option called add payment method. When you tap on it, over here you'll be able to see all the options to add your payment methods. You can add a bank account, your PayPal, your debit card, your wire transfer, whatever else is convenient for you. Now once you've done that, you can just come back to Coinbase and then hit the little arrow icon which is at the center in highlighted in blue, right? So you just want to tap on that icon, and then once you tap on that icon here, you'll see all those options. Of course, again you have to just select the option called add cash or cash out, which is at the bottom of the screen. Just tap on the add cash option, and as you do that, again just tap on the button that says add cash from the top left. Once you tap on the add cash option, on the next specific page, enter the dollars worth of currency that you actually want to transfer to your Coinbase account from your bank. And then once you've done that, also make sure to select your bank account and tap on the preview option and select your bank account from which account you actually want to send it. And then after you've done that, tap on the add cash now button, and once you do that, your transfer request will be successfully sent, and then it will deposit the money to your Coinbase account. And that's all it takes to deposit money to your Coinbase account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.